Hello my friends, how you guys doing? Welcome once again to our channel. In today's video guys, we're going to show you a potential setup that is loading on Bitcoin and why you need to pay attention to this, because this might be that move you've been waiting for. All right, so if that is of interest to you, kindly subscribe to this channel and like this video guys as we dive into the chart properly. All right guys, so now we have been on this descending kind of contracting wedge. All right, so but obviously for the last week I was expecting Bitcoin here to drop, making this a kind of running flat. So we have A, we have B, and we're expecting C. But now instead of it, now Bitcoin now did this kind of stuff, which is most time confusing. Now it break out of it and did this. Now breaking out of this channel doesn't really mean anything much, okay? But the most important thing that we are considering now is that Bitcoin dropped here, all right, and tagged this low, which is very, very, very important. It bounces off with very strong bullish candle on 4 hours. Potentially that Bitcoin is permitted to move up from here, guys, okay? So that is one thing you need to pay very good attention to. Although he has given us a warning sign that it might not be dropping furthermore, all right, because of this engulfing candle. But now the second scenario we need a confirmation is for Bitcoin to give us a three-wave move here. So we're expecting a three-wave move here, and also a breakout of here will tell us that it's going, and also a breakout of here. So if you are very, very conservative on trading, I think taking your entry at this point is ideal, is the best thing you can do. Or secondly, you can take your entry at the break of this point, okay? But if you understand structure as we do, as the market gives us a three-wave here, we'll be taking our entry here. Okay, don't get me wrong, because something like this might also play out. Bitcoin can decide to come here, decide to break this and drop like this, okay? But from what we are looking at, guys, because this end has been tagged, this low here has been tagged, guys. So, and you can see there is a potential head and shoulder forming, guys, which is very, very likely that this might be a reversal loading, okay? This might be a reversal loading, because this potential head and shoulder is something that you need to pay very good attention. But now, if it's breaking out of here, guys, I believe you know, if it's breaking out of this, then you should be expecting a rally to this point. So that means now, if this breakout, will it break the all-time high or not? Well, the question might not be answered now, but one thing you should have in the back of your mind that if you're breaking out from here, then we can measure from here to this point. Let me make it so I can understand. If Bitcoin is breaking out from this, then we can take a measurement of this point here to this, and at the breakout, you drop it here. So that means definitely you can see it's very close to the all-time high, which is likely to break the next all-time high, okay? So, but just let's have it in the back of our mind. If you go down to 1 hour, well, one hour, we have a different scenario here. Okay, we have a different scenario. We have this A, B, C. Then we have this sharp impulse up. So this is dropping. So this is aggressive correctively. We're expecting this to drop one more. Okay, and based on the pattern we see here, they will be able to take it upward or downward, guys. Okay, because this pattern can drop. This kind of pattern can also drop. It can also break out. So it's kind of undecisive for now. So let's just take clear and watch how it develop here, guys. Okay, so that's on a Bitcoin. Then on Ethereum, guys, the same thing is loading here. I think Ethereum is dropping. Ethereum looks as if it's dropping. That is on 1 hour. We should be expecting something like it on Ethereum. But if you go down to 4 hours, okay, 4 hours, I think the same thing applies here. 4 hours, so we're expecting, but if it's giving us one more breakout, then expect this drop. It's either start dropping from here or give us one more break. so which is likely to happen, because remember what I told you guys from the daily, we're expecting Ethereum to tag 4,600. We're expecting it to tag that point because it just break the all-time high and reverse, so we're expecting it to tag this 46,000 range, 4,600, then before it can potentially drop aggressively. So why is tagging this? Then I believe Bitcoin also should, be trending on that note. So either he give us this, but this is a complete wave on its own. So we're having this. So let's allow this to complete. So we're expecting one more drop like here. So making this is A, B, C. Okay, then we take this trade. All right, so let's take a look on BNB. BNB, nice coin. All right, so this is a potential trade. I told you guys last time that you should start considering, loading BNB when it was here. You can see it makes a beautiful trade, but now you can see it's trending on this channel, guys. And the way I'm looking at it here, we're expecting two things. Since he has broken this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, okay, so maybe there will be another sell-off before going, but this move is coming, guys. Okay, even if it drops from here, guys, it doesn't mean anything because it's going to be short-lived and this move will become. All right, so we're expecting a slight sell-off once this move is completed. Okay, so because it's not going aggressively as we expected of it, so just wait and see. So that's on the BNB. Now, which other coin should we consider? That is Dogecoin. See what Doge is doing. That is the nature of Doge. Doge always, goes parabolic when the time comes. So when you take a look on Doge from the daily, I think this is when you should appreciate Doge more. Doge has been going sideways, and you can see this channel this move correction is over and is breaking out. So I think it will continue going up from here, guys. Okay, Doge will continue going up from here. Yeah. So if you're interested in loading Doge in your portfolio, I think this is the time for you to do that. Okay, Doge will continue going up from here because the charts most times might not look as clean as you want it, because if you take a look on Doge from weekly, you can see that we have had this sharp bounce, even though this didn't tag this low. So we're expecting something like this to come up, drop again, and go. Okay, a 3-wave. Remember, this is just a big corrective structure, guys. Very big corrective structure. So we're expecting Doge to spend a lot of time on this region, guys. So before it can complete this, it will take like many months to come. Okay, so that's why you need to pay very good attention. But if you're an investor, you should consider that this move can break this. Also, this move can stop anywhere and drop. So either it gives us a running flat or it gives us a regular flat. So whichever one, we're okay with it. Okay, so that is on Doge. If you take a look on Shiba, the talk of the town, everyone is talking about Shiba. This is how it has been playing. I dropped this with our students a few days ago. The market is just following exactly how we forecasted it, guys. Okay, when it was here, we said it's coming down, and after that it's been coming up, and you can see it plays out exactly. Now from here now, we're expecting Shiba to drop. Okay, we're expecting Shiba to drop from here, guys. Okay, so let me just give you the scenario. From here, we'll be expecting it to drop. As it drops, then that is 1, 2, 3. Then we're expecting it to come up again and drop before going up. It looks complex, but most times that is how it play out. And once that move is totally completed, then expect Shiba to, go to the moon. I believe a bigger picture is coming and a bigger move is coming, guys. Okay, in case this happens to be a contracting flat, which I doubt, if you're able to be a contracting flat, okay, that is to say that this move is equal to this and this is equal to this, okay, then expect this breakout. As it's complete, it will spend a lot of time here before going. Okay, so but that one is not clear yet to be a contracting flat, so let's watch and see how it develops. But for you to ride on the move, wait until it clears this region, guys. Okay, clearing this region means it's going up. Okay, that is how we are looking at this Shiba, because this is an impulse, this is a correction, this is another impulse. So we are waiting for this impulse to play out, which is likely to come before going. So there are many ways you can look at it. Whichever one that plays, you will be okay with it. Okay, so TLM, it's not really going anywhere. This is the low. Let's tag it. Okay, okay. Has this tag this? Yes, it's going up. Okay, this coin is going up. So in case you are the one that sent it and you're interested in it, I think it's going up from here, guys. Yeah, because this is the only pattern we can see here. So this pattern is completed here, guys. So the next thing we're expecting is for it to ride, because we see this to be A, B, C. So right on from here. If we check the 4 hours, okay, might not really be ready down to move. On the 1 hour, okay, this is the first impulse. The first impulse. So we're expecting a correction before this goes. Yeah, but it's going. So that's on it, guys. All right, if you like to trade the market irrespective of the movement of the market, kindly sign up using any of the link below. Okay, the Bybit, the Binance features, in case you've not. All right, guys, so this is where we're drawing the curtain. As the market develops, I will update you guys on the next trade. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video, guys. Thank you.